we're just gonna get straight to it. I'm not even gonna put an intro in this video because I just wanna say it. I failed. Okay, I failed. And that's probably the end of this video. Like, we're a couple seconds into the video and that's pretty much it. Like, I failed, all right? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Pretty much the purpose of this video is to explain myself and let you guys know why and how I failed at Vlogmas 2019. I hate to say it, I hate to verbally like come out and say it because it's just so uncomfortable to say that I'm gonna do something and not be able to complete that task, not be able to follow through. And because of that, I wanted to make sure that I filmed this video to explain myself to you guys, especially my subscribers who were supporting me all the way through, who were commenting, DMing me all the time, telling me to continue to post because they were liking my Vlogmas videos. I'm so disappointed in myself. You have no idea. As you all know, and maybe some of you don't know this, I work a full-time job. So I work Monday through Friday from about 7 a.m. to about 5, sometimes 6 if I'm feeling, you know, fancy that day. My job is not necessarily draining, but I am away from my camera, away from my setup, away from my computer for a very long time, for lots of hours, you know, because I'm working. Unlike other YouTubers, and this is not me trying to make an excuse for myself, but unlike other YouTubers, you know, they do this full time. This is just something on the side that I do. This is just a hobby that I have because I enjoy filming content. I enjoy creating and sharing it with you guys. And thankfully, I have a large amount of subscribers because 12,000 is a lot to me, you know, who continuously support me. And for that, I thank you guys. And I'm so sorry. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to follow through. Like, really, this is just what the video is about. Like, I'm super apologetic because I hate to be told, like, I hate when people tell me they're gonna do something and they don't do it. So when I'm in the position where I say that I'm gonna do something and don't follow through with it, I'm annoyed with myself mostly or entirely, but like at a different level. Like, it's a different level of annoyance with myself. I'm so disappointed. You have no idea.
It's still real to me, damn it.
The first, and if you guys kept up with my videos, the first, maybe, I want to say like the first 3 to 5 videos of Vlogmas, I was sick. I had the flu and I just didn't have the energy to film.
Move for time.
What?
I'm over time.
It was just bad timing to get sick, first and foremost. Super bad timing. Literally the day before Vlogmas, I got sick because the day I filmed the intro, haha, I took a nap on my niece's bed and she was sick at the time. And immediately when I woke up after about 45 minutes, I knew it. My throat was hurting, my head started hurting, and from there on, I just got sick. I got thrown with the flu, and I just didn't have the energy to get up, film, edit, and post, right? So that taught me, in a nutshell, that if you do not rest your body will force itself to rest. Aside from all of that, aside from working long hours, coming home and not finding time to be able to film the content, edit, and post it, I felt like I was getting really lost in the likes and views and comment world, which is cool. Like, I love likes and I love comments and I love views. I love interacting with all of you guys, but I don't want my focus to be based around that. Although I do love filming content and doing all of this on YouTube, I want to make sure that my reason for doing this is not for the money, is not for the exposure, but because it's something that I genuinely like doing, something that I genuinely enjoy, that I want to continue doing for the love of it. You know, I film hair videos and I film these videos of me doing my makeup and me acting like a fool during Vlogmas because I just like to share, and this is the best way for me to do it. So I didn't want to get caught up in the life of, you know, not making enough or not getting enough exposure for what I was doing. And it did get to me because, trust me, coming home from a long day of work to film content or film whatever bit of you know, content that you can to post, to edit, to then post, and then my editing software was acting like a little bitch every freaking day. Like every time I tried to export the video, it would give me some different issue every day. So I was getting frustrated, and I felt like all the work that I was putting into filming this content for you guys, and for it to not get the views that it was getting, I was so frustrated. But that's when I caught myself, and that's when I told myself that I had to take a step back, because this is not about that. This is literally about sharing with you guys and showing you guys that I'm doing this for the love of it. I'm doing it for the love of it. In a nutshell, I just wanted to apologize and tell you guys the reason why I fell off. If you haven't already, please go check out my 10 days of Vlogmas, because they were pretty cool videos. You guys got to see a little bit of, you know, the side of me that's not so like, and this and this and this is what I do with my hair, and then this and the next step. You know, it's more kind of like a free, kind of like out there way of seeing the way that I live my life, how I, you know, interact with my family, with my brother, with my niece and nephew. Unfortunately, you guys didn't even get to see my dad or my stepmom and my step siblings in my videos, and that makes me kind of sad, but it's okay. I think now I have a better way to prepare myself. I know what to expect out of Vlogmas and just everything in general. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and apologize really quickly and tell you guys that I really did try, and I really did want to go through with it. But unfortunately, life hit me, reality hit me, and I had to take a step back. I hope you guys understand, and I have more videos coming for you guys in 2020. Thank you if you made it this far for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.